bakit?
Number 9, Ortiesa. What a pass! Wala. Pass again to number 3, Servillero. From number 9, Ortiesa. Remaining time for the game. Airball, turnover.
Okay, balik pula, resulta mo to. Hey, shot, boys! Shot!
Foul number 31. Timeout, Eastern Samar Rising. That timeout is brought to you by Wilson, the official ball of the EVPL.
Position ko na akong time out. Parang time out. Parang time out. Ball position ko.
Okay, wait time out. Substitution. Number 19. And number 7 in for Mr. Samar. There was free throw, number 1.
Oh, last basket. Magka-basket. Ball position ako. Time out naman.
Thank you.